Good morning, CIS scholars. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. In my last video, I have discussed about the tropical desert, the wildlife in the tropical desert, and today I am going to discuss two more topics, that is plant life in the tropical desert and life of the people. So let's begin our video. First, we will discuss about the desert that I have already discussed in the last video, but let's have a quick revision. So what is desert? Desert is a dry place. It gets lots of sunlight and a little rain. Only a few kind of plants and animals can live there. So I have already discussed about animals. So let's see what all plants are there which can survive. Plant life in hot deserts. The plant and trees which grow in hot deserts adapt the extreme climatic condition. So they adapt the extreme climatic condition, which is extreme hot conditions. Now let's see what are the features of these plants. Only that plant grows which have leaves that are very small or have no leaves at all. This helps to reduce water loss. Second, plants have long root systems or go deep into the ground to absorb water. So there generally we have a very small plants and we have a plants which have a long roots. Next, most of the plants or the trees store water in the trunk. The trees and shrubs have spines to discourage animal from eating plants for water and reduce water loss. So there are some trees or there are some shrubs also which have spines. Some plants have thick leaves and waxy coating on stem which help to store water in their leaves, stems or roots like cactus. I hope you all have seen the cactus. So cactus have a thick leaf and they have spines also and waxy coating on their stem, and it will help cactus to store water in their leaves as well as in their stem. Now there is another example I have given, that is of baobab tree. Now it is believed in that the trunk of the baobab tree found in Kalahari desert can store up to 1000 liter of water. See, these are all the plants which have storage capacity of water. Now let's see what are the different plants. These are some of the pictures. Cactus is there, this is baobab, and this is acacia. So these are some plants which are found in tropical desert. Now let's find it out what are the life of the people over there. People who live in hot desert have also adjusted to extreme climate. So they adjust themselves in the extreme climatic conditions. They live in tents. Due to scarcity of water and food, they do not settle down at one place for a long time, and they travel from one place to another in a group and carry their belonging with them. Now, what are their occupation? They generally do animal rearing, trading, and farming. The Bedouins of Arabian and Sahara Desert and Bushmen of Kalahari Desert live such a life. So this is all about the life of the people who live in tropical desert. Now let's explore some more about the desert, that what is the present scenario. The use of camel is gradually reducing. Nowadays, the use of camel is reducing and they are mostly used as tourist attraction for rides across the deserts. Jeeps are used to carry goods for the trade. Now, in the present scenario, we use jeeps for carrying the goods for trade. Now, deserts are rich in minerals. Let's find it out. The Sahara Desert is rich in iron ore and copper. Petroleum is found in both Arabian as well as the Sahara deserts. The date and palm is a common tree found mostly in the Arabian desert. Maize and millets are mostly grown by people in these places. Farming is practiced near river or in an area where there is water and where plants can easily grow. This area is called oasis. So farming is done where? Farming is done near the place where there is a water or near the river. So this is all about the desert. I hope that in this video you have a clear understanding about that how the plants grow in tropical desert and what type of life people are spending over there. By the time you can read chapter 3, this is what your task is. And I have given one task also in my last video, that you have to find it out one wild animal and their adaptation, only one feature you have to find which is found in hot deserts, and you have to write in comment box. But right now only few have written, so and I have appreciated them also. So I want everybody should find it out. I will give you some time, you will search it, and then you can write in the comment box. By the time you stay at your home and be safe and enjoy the learning. Thank you.